Our inspiration for this science project is from the Dr. Seuss book Bartholomew and the Oobleck, where a gooey green substance, Oobleck, fell from the sky and wrecked the kingdom. To make Oobleck, you need 3 simple ingredients. They are
cornstarch, water, and food coloring.
The science word for today is non-Newtonian fluid. This means an unusual fluid. It is unusual because it changes viscosity. Viscosity is our second science word of the day, and this means how easy a liquid flows. We started by adding green food coloring to water. Then pour your cornstarch into a bowl. We then added our water. You will need 1 cup of water for every 1 cup of cornstarch. And continue to mix using a spoon or your hands. You can keep adding a little more water if it starts to dry up or to get it to the amount of gooiness that you want it.
What else is champagne right here? Okay.
As you can see, Oobleck changes from a solid to a liquid in your hands, making it a great sensory experience. It is also a great way to keep the kids busy on a sunny day. A bucket of this will keep them playing for hours, but just be prepared because this stuff sure is messy. Once it dries, it is easy to clean up and washes off clothes with no problem. After all, it is just cornstarch. Just don't pour the Oobleck down your sink because it will clog your drain.
Sister! Wow! You gave me all mess again. I need something. Oobleck.